All right, we got another one, folks. This is a 2025 Range Rover Velar. Problem is, this thing has no wiper blades. Yeah, kind of dirty in there, but there's no wiper in there. That's the rear wiper. So I figured I'd make a video on how to change the wiper on a Range Rover. So if you don't know what model you have, you can look at the driver's side next to the window here. It'll tell you it is a Velar 250 Dynamic SE, which that means it's a 4-cylinder but twin turbo. So it got some oomph to it, but we're going to change out the wipers, both the back and front. All right, to work on the wiper, we need to put the car in service position. So to do that, you're going to keep your foot off the brake. So don't put your foot on the brake, otherwise it'll start the car. What you're going to do is turn the car on and off real quick without touching this yet. So turn it on and then shut it off real quick. And then push down the steering as it shuts down. Now turn the car back on. And there it is. You're in service mode. You heard it from here first, folks. All right, let's get these wipers to get changed out then. So as you can see, we're able to work on this wiper down here, the rear wiper, safely. There. And then we're able to work on the wipers over here safely. There. All right, let's get to it. So I got this from Amazon. Don't buy the one from your local automotive place. They'll tell you it fits, but it won't fit. Trust me, you'll thank me later. So I got this from Amazon. It came in like the next day. I figured I could just wait that long. It includes all 3 wipers. So as you can see, all 3 wipers are included. So the rear are 13 inches, I want to say. And the front is, I don't know what it says here. It says 26 for the driver. Looks like 18 for the passenger and then 13 for the rear. It's specifically made for the Land Rover. So get yourself a kit, 20 bucks. It comes with all 3. Can't beat it. Don't get the one from your local automotive place because it will not fit. I ran to the store so many times. So here it is. Work on the rear first, then we'll do the front. So here's the broken piece. So it broke. There, you can see that. Like this. Slides in, and then this little piece slides into here. Only goes one way, so don't worry. It's like this, and this goes in here, like that, and pinch the side there. So you can do it with one hand. There it is. Did you hear the click? So now it's in. You can see pretty much flush against there. That's flush. You can withdraw the protective yellow plastic for the cover. So, all right, so that's the back. Let's go to the front. So the front just requires you to push this tab and push that way. Here's the replacement. So it goes forward that way. You want to push this tab right here. Snap it in. Wiggle, wiggle. There it is. Just be careful with the glass. Just gently lay it down. And then you can set that aside. And then you should click right into that hole right there. There it is. So that's in. Push here and go that way. Gentle. Don't let it slam on the glass. Just listen for the click. Oh, it's so satisfying. So to take your wipers out of service position, just turn the car back on. It'll go reset itself. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I always bring new content, new cars as much as I can. We can help it. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'm telling you, we're building a great community here. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. I really do. I'll see you in the next video.